My name is Julia Freeman, and I'm an art and design major here at the University of Houston. I really enjoy art and design. My focus is graphic design. I really enjoy minimalistic design a lot, and I like to dabble with like painting and other mediums as well. And I'm also a photography TA here. I started out in photography, then moved on to design. So my focuses are design and photography right now. I really love Swiss design, the like classic art history or graphic design history, Swiss design. I have like a list of things I would like to do, but I'm not trying to put myself in a box. I want to show in galleries. I want to have my work in multiple galleries and do art shows. I want to do design work, and I would love to like partner up with a organization or a charity to do design for, kind of like help people out with my design, give them good design, and it'd be for a higher purpose. Well, I actually started out in photography, and I was interested in design, so I took a design class while I was a photo major. And I didn't really know that much about it at the time, and after taking the class I was like, I really am into this, I really like design, I really like photo, and it just makes more sense to go for design than photography and still be able to do both. It just really ended up fitting me really well. Kind of felt like that's what I was supposed to do. Make sure that you don't rely on what you're being taught in class. Always do research, see what's current, be constantly learning and progressing. That's what design is. It's always changing, so just make sure you're doing a lot of research and kind of doing a lot of self-taught things. That's it.